Hi there, this is Harry for Super Tech Guru. This is powerful drill Dewalt 20V XR Max. You can see all the quick look of this drill. It is with brushless motor. Here is a trigger point, like different gear, 1 to 3 gear I can work, and from here I can just adjust the drilling or screw driving mode, hammered mode, which mode I want to use. See, all modes company provided. Here is a trigger. From here I just press, then it started. To lock this trigger, just I have to place this lock on the center. To unlock it, I just have to place on the sideway. Now it started again. To use different screw driving set, then I can replace like this. To again use it, I just like this. So here is also company provided this little flashlight, so during night I can start working. 3 mode it have: low, medium and high power mode it have. And to when the battery is not charged or dead, so to recharge this battery I just press this button and remove the battery like this, and then after recharging I place battery like this. It is really powerful drill for daily home use purpose, which I am using from last many years, and I recommend this product because it is very useful for day-to-day home use purpose and other big and small projects too. I am lover of this Dewalt 20V Max XR drill.